Ever spent an entire Saturday morning planning your epic life upgrade, only to spend the afternoon watching cat videos? Yup, me too. Welcome to the club where motivation goes to die. Hey, I'm Kezda, and let us be real. The online gurus promise you I'll wake up at AM, chug kale juice, and write a novel by breakfast. Meanwhile, I'm lucky if I remember to brush my teeth. So how do I actually stay motivated? Spoiler alert, it's not a bullet journal with 17 color codes. Here's the plot twist: motivation isn't some mystical, uncatchable unicorn. It's more like a pet goldfish. It needs constant attention, but also occasional alone time. A few months ago, I tried the grind until you die approach. Results: Burnout City. So I flipped the script. Celebrate tiny wins. Did I send that one awkward email? Hell yes, that's a win. Build stupid easy habits. 5 push-ups by the bed. Not 50, just 5. Even I can't argue with 5. The no pressure zone. Some days I call them rest days. Others I call them Netflix appreciation sessions. Either way, zero guilt. So here's the real deal. Micro tasks. Break your mountain into molehills. Molehills are cute. Mountains are terrifying public commitments. Tell one friend you'll do it. Even if they don't care, you'll care that they don't care. Reward yourself, yes, with snacks. Finish that chapter. Cookies, nail that code bug. Pizza, self-care tastes delicious. These small hacks become rocket fuel for your dopamine engine. Because when your brain actually sees progress even on a tiny scale, it thinks you're a productivity master, and who doesn't want that swagger? Motivation isn't a mythical beast, it's a pet fish. Feed it, don't overfeed it, and give it breaks. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, create the perfect tiny moment. If you've ever ghosted a habit plan, drop it in the comments. Let's keep each other's goldfish alive, and hey, subscribe if you're ready for more real talk and occasional cat videos. See you next time. Like this video? Smash that like button like it's a stress ball. Catch you later.